You subscribe yet? Orang itu, ada messy. I'm done. Alright. Yeah, man. Later. Yeah.
Marika!
Oi.
Me can't come.
Yeah, man. The door open. Come.
Oh, come in. I want to come around here. I do not around here, you know.
We do what? What me feel here do?
Me can ask you something. You
Ask
good?
mama. Yeah, me good.
No, Marika. Me really have to ask you. Because me keep wanna see you post these things for your status. You sure you want Mr. Loverboy good?
We alright.
No, you can't tell me nothing. Me know not alright because other day you post say you wash some clothes and you this and you that. And when me come over here wash it through and then you post say going to the beach. And when time me look, me see you at beach through. So literally anything you post go so. So me see you post some things about you and him and problems and man, you just tell me the truth. I know you can't tell lie.
All your people post things on their status. You post things because you want to post it. Suppose me post it say me a smoke. And me there, me not for the smoke for true. Me just post it because me feel like me want to post it.
You not get what me I say. Me I say. Other day you post say going to the beach, right? Right?
Right.
You never go to the beach.
Yeah, end up that's me.
And you post yes, other man in a post say washing my sheets. You never wash your sheet them.
No, me did I wash panty.
Me come over here and see what I sheet them put up on the wire them. So that tell me lie. Marika, remember me come over here that day.
Alia?
Something is wrong. I know something is up.
Alia, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Me just post it because me feel like me want to post it. You understand?
Just remember this day, say, sit down and looking at my face and tell me lie.
Me not lie to you.
You are Marika, you lie. Me are chat foolish, you are telling lie.
Me not lie for true.
You are Marika. You literally, why? I first ever do this. You literally just sit down and looking at my face and tell me lie.
Tell the truth. The man there work, I'm a miss him, so I just post something for my status. Simple.
That posting there not signifies say you miss someone. It signifies say you wish a person did. You wish a person a walk and car just lick him, or you wish him a walk and drop down and dead or something. And that the post that it signify. It signifies you miss him. So you can't fool me. So you see there's something where you post for your status, people will kill you for you know. Cause if you go White House or Sav now, you the post going to Sav soon. You post a location. When I reach Sav, just reach Sav. My God, someone know you.
Hey, listen to me. I don't understand why you're so interested in my business, by the way. Because knowing you don't post things for your status. And you're secretive. If you're down your yard and something happen to you, nobody know. Can you not tell nobody your business? I saw you stay.
Yeah, as I'm saying yes, but me have my reason.
Why a reason?
Me not find it right somebody to sit down and talk to about my problem as yet. But listen here now, and I say me not find the right person.
No. Me understand what you're saying.
No, listen me. You see like how me come in your yard now, I become concerned about you, Marika. You see, if when me I go through my problems, they come in my yard and come and say, what's wrong with you? What is this? You never yet do that. So how me still not talk to you about my business? Tell me now.
Aliyah, how if you come in your yard, come and say what the yard is and that, women don't know if nothing wrong with you?
You not have to know. You can't just use the instinct, Marika. You can't just come. You not have to come ask me about my business, you know. You can't come check for me and say you're good. And me, I always be the one to come. Marika, you're okay. Everything, you eat, you this and me. You notice
you
me
know
always
why
be
you
the one
always
there.
come? Because you're the palm status. Not because you're the palm status. That's the means that they move them in. You understand?
Let me tell you something. Actually, because me care about you, I'm concerned. And that's why. You see, if me never care about you, Marika, I'm hoodoo the years right now. And you know that too. Because when me not care, me just not care.
I understand what you're saying, but what? You're secretive. At that time,
I'm a secretive person.
As me tell you,
me can't, Marika, you know what me go through in my life. You know, so me can't do trust people so.
but
So me have a secretive. But you don't trust me. Or me I go trust you when you don't trust me.
What do you mean by me
you
not
have
trust
to
you?
earn my trust. Just like how me I try hard to earn your trust, you have to earn mine. Because me they are trying America. And you keep on push me about nothing happen when me know something is up. So me have one question we want to ask America. Are we friends? Me really need to know if we are friends or we America. Oh, you can't answer. No, you say, if you not about that answer, you just give me answer. No, me I don't me I lift your face.
I don't give you no answer.
I lift your face. Just remember this, so you're a good man.
Me ain't that better. Me tell her say, stop make me see my business by your status. Much time I tell her.
What you mean?
Me no
you
want
to
to
put up
business
on my status.
Me no want the on your status. Stop put me on your status.
Oh.
Stop put me on your status.
5 years with them.
Me no business.
You
don't put me on your status.
Oh, that means a hide and seek thing we are doing.
I don't know hide and seek. Me no want the on nobody. You see me have to put on my status. Don't put me on your status. Put me on your status again here, we see.
Really?
Take your phone and fling it. I'll just put
fling up your phone in a wall.
Put me on your status.
Sit there, take it, fling in a wall. What we in a relationship or brother and sister thing? Because I don't understand what go on here. So, what you mean you don't want the palm status?
Yeah, post the negative part. I can't do something. Me tell you say, go wash your dirty clothes then. You can post it. Me no in that man. Me no in that. Stop do them something there. If they post one good thing and say alright, but they post the negative things. I want your status alone can make for negative things. Come in from work and me can't get the correct sure.
What you mean you can't get no rest?
As me come in, are you that? You just all up in my face. So you come hug me. You can't shout and hug. Stop doing them something then, man. Stop doing them something.
Oh, what kind of man you be?
Oh.
No man nah call me.
You're lucky here.
But this not safe.
Do what me tell you to do. Me I take you and fling me while you think I do. Make it
any
mad
day you think your name, anything with your name,
post
take my phone and fling in a wall.
Post negative thoughts.
I'm sure you wish God
post negative thoughts now.
I think I'm afraid of you.
Post negative thoughts.
Another, raise your hand and family again. Give me slippers in your face. You're bright.
I can't buy that. I go work a show. Bye.
Fronzy like how? What time? If you're glad to say yeah, somebody should come home too.
Thanks here. Yo, what going?
What going?
Come on now. How are you?
You don't know say the blast is going up a yard man in minute, you know, can't business for status, everything you post for status.
Jesus Christ, come over here so I see him. Come on, so tell the person on me you have to talk good man. Tell the person on me you move so. You forgot to me your big sister?
Remember man, remember.
So you move so.
Actually the girl up the man get me.
So what me I say is, me go over there you know.
Yeah.
I'm a bit attacked to her cause she keep on a push me. I remember my sister and I know but I'm not even say sister-in-law, me ask her if me and her friend. Because for my sister-in-law, you know, say, we friendship and our sisterhood is strong, you understand? But she a push more, so me just left her over there and say, I got my
Me go through tired, me I tell you me tired. I see that me not going on good vibes. Go in and come. Hope me have push my phone.
No, take time with her.
No.
And that's a mommy grow you. You're not push woman, you're not lick woman, you're not
me not lick them, me push him, me
you're
not
not
lick him,
supposed to push him neither. You're supposed to can sit down and have a decent conversation.
But me tell him and he not learn, he go through this and come through this.
This time, you know, you're telling me this time I go say, yo, to post my business for status in her, this or that.
Yeah, that me tell him.
You see, you need to sit her down and talk to her properly. Say, yo, B, you know, saying something that for your status, I don't really like them.
I know when she post, she post be a negative thought about me.
Because you are
if me say something to her, no, if me tell her go wash her dirty clothes, she a go post that on her status. Like well, man say, boy, my boyfriend say, go wash me dirty clothes that. No, say word, man. Me say wash your dirty clothes, you top post on status.
I don't know if you say.
Sure.
We go over there and talk to her and she said nothing wrong or no good. I mean, no say no good. But
yeah, I'm going to shop because I know my brain not there.
So you not call look for mommy?
Tell mommy say she see me when she see me, and me see her when me see her.
So give me $1,000 no brother?
Me not no money, girl.
Not to cut the stress for me.
Sorry, go on.
What's the me lick? Hey.
Yeah.
No man can cook for them. A bat.
Where you come from? I'm going to tell you about the style.
What style?
That way you do. I tell you if you come clean up your meat, you know I come clean up your meat. You ain't the pan for that show people's status like people's status can't feed you. Eh? Why I'm telling this status business?
I'm proud of you, you know. But me a video you know put up on my status, you know. You know I'm proud of you.
Yeah, you, but not everybody on your status. When they put it toilet, you have video and a post it. Eh?
Sometimes.
Brother, stop putting on your status.
So I can't chop up the chicken so like you're ignorant or something.
I'll break my vibe. Not to, you know, finish it.
So where you going so far? Me not like your style, brother. How kind of relationship this? You do myself. All a good woman, we get up early in the morning and cut up meat and cook food for their man. Marika! Come now, girl, then I don't call me and tell me so you come already. So I still have to knock you go next to my house. Where say I going now? They look for you a better one. Then how me become a better one? Tell me, how me become a better one? Eh? I know I call you over here to talk to you. Talk to me about me, girl. No, girl, Tia. So why you asking about your face? You take too long to tell me. Talk to me now, man. A crime to be loyal. If a crime to be loyal. I never hear somebody go prison or jail to be loyal. So where did that come from? Like, you do everything in a relationship just to make your partner happy. You try your best to not cheat. You do everything you know you can do and something, but yet problems still be there. problem ever they do and you always feel like you are a bad one. And because me being truthful, I just put things on my status. You know, but I don't know if me I do something wrong. So, wait there. What happened right now? The man is saying a lot. What explain to me, cause me not understand when me are when me are set to you. It's like he have a problem with everything when me do. Me not cheat, me not go to a party, me not, you know, me not do certain things. You understand? But yet, when me post things for my status, he have a problem. Girl, me not see nothing wrong with that. Then that you really call me over here for Anna ask about loyal. Yeah. Girl, nothing wrong with that. Post what you want post. All when you brush your teeth, if you want post, you post as long as your teeth don't rotten. Guess what? Enough of that too. If food where you have a cooking day. You not done yet? Eh? Yeah, you done cook already, smell it. Smell what? I just status me tune into and see you cook over here. And me did you think I should call me make me hurry up and come? I hungry, me hungry. Say that not here, yard. Hello. Me see that the nice food that when me see you they prepare. All when me have sitting on my yard of your food me want. If you tell the truth, you done, you know. Where say? It done. It could have never done. I look at it at 2 hours, you know, at 4 when you cook fast and then the day after. You should have texted me, you should have tuned in for the army status and say, I want some buy food. But you never tuned in. I'm surprised you come over here. When I dey on my way, I see you call me. I say, come here, can smell the rat, so I come. Surprise me for my food. But you not see you. You know what I want you post next? All if you win $1 million. That I want you post. Post it. Don't stop post. Girl, proud of where you post. What's wrong with you? Eh? We are doubt yourself, girl. You're not confident. I'm not confident in myself. Girl, no make no man make you tap the way you want to do. If you want post, you post. Simple. But anyways, I had to go take my leave because you said the food done. Yeah, done, man, later. You sure say done? Me can go check. Jesus. Eh? Me say if I have a little rice and gravy. Anyways. No rice and gravy. Hey, don't touch me. No rice and gravy around the later. Me and you will chat. You know if we think go already. Yeah, Zin? Just cold sauce. Like then just. You're there, man.
So I gone.
Jaja, what?
Me dey here, all of a sudden me dey here I do some writing for this year. And all it just come out and now come and back now nothing.
Maybe you want to fix.
I don't know.
But maybe ask you something. You ever wonder you can go for your phone and see what your sister love us?
Why?
If him a wash panty, him a video it posing. Me not see him pose no video yet as sexing. But if him a cook, him a posing. If him a go down the road, him a posing. Me don't know what else to say. You ever see it?
Me see them all well, even other day, me a pass. We go to the shop and just go buy one juice.
Yeah.
And me see my brother tip like a madman, you know, I've living mad. When me tap him and ask him what happened to him, say girl out to mad him. He said anything he said to the girl post it and he don't like it. So before that, before me see my brother in the shop, me come over here and come talk to her about it. Cause me and her are friends. I said, "True, Mrs. Stella." Me think say yeah, we cool, but we're not cool cause me sit down and ask her if me and her are friends and she leave. I say no, she just left her. And me feel that way about it, so me just step out. Understand? She say, nothing no do her, even though you know me know something do her. Why she posting something there? My brother say, that's what she see, anything she do, she post. So, me can't stop it, you can't stop it, not even my brother can't stop it, I will go stop it.
Your brother start beat her yet?
No, my brother not beat him. My brother not the type of man there. No.
So why she a post on her status, it look like a beat him and a beat her over there, or she a try hide something, or try make me know something, but And that me think I beat him and I beat him over there, you know.
No. I'm telling you something. Even if my brother beat him, or if my brother near to beat him, or if me hear saying beat him, or abuse him or something, that's a different story, you understand?
Yes, but anybody would have thinks I beat him over the cause. 2 hours when she post on her status, anybody could have think that.
Listen me.
You understand?
That's none of my business, you understand? My business is right here. So, and you know, fun thing about it, where my business, because I go over the other day and I try comfort her or something, and she shame me like a dog, so me and her done.
Wait.
My business is there, so.
Awa. Me a quick hands. But you know, Jimmy can't turn us some later.
So what kind of style is ya? Me never seen it, but you just can't turn up behind me. You didn't even clear a throat me. You say you come. You couldn't kill me, no?
I wanna do that chat me.
Me and your friend.
Anyway, I know that me come over here, boy. Come over here, Alia, to tell us I'm sorry. I'm sorry for when I come over here the other day, I talk to me, me give her bad energy. Me start off with her.
Wait. Talk again.
Oh, God.
What you say?
But just come to tell us I'm sorry.
Marika, you sorry? I'm my phone. I forgot to look at the your status. Me I go over Alia, you go tell him sorry.
No put it on my status yet. I'm left for
Yeah. Marika, me tell us everything for you go on status. You come over here to apologize, right? And the same problem me you have make you. Me have to say you keep me out your house, you know, because me ask you a question. Your answer was so basically you cook me out of your house, you run me out, and then now you come back and tell me about how maybe you put it on your status later. Marika, you not learn.
if me don't put it on my status, me put it on my status. Ali about me not put it on my status.
You not learn. You know, so then some of the people will kill you. Because if you post your every move for your status, you go your bed, go into bed now. Tomorrow you go serve in a few. Just reach back from serve. White House in a few. May I cook me the nail
Alright,
up.
Alia, you're not after them make you
Marika,
so
people
bad.
will know. Suppose somebody a plan to kill you and they go see your post serving a few. They know say you go serve, then go serve, go lay with you and do what they fi do. Marika, that not good.
Alright, Alia. Because I come over here and talk to you.
Marika, I'm not hearing you.
This,
You talk don't know one voice weird and so. And when they over there chat about your stuff, your voice the loud, Marika. So talk me hear you.
Alia, I don't do nobody nothing. If nobody want to kill me or attack me or whatsoever.
Let me ask you a question. You have to do somebody do something to you?
No, but I live good with people.
Me live good with people, Marika, and somebody here passes ask me to do a clean shoes now and bad man me feet and kill me for it. You don't have to do nobody nothing.
Alia, you know, I don't see sense when I come over here. This not make no sense to me. You know what? Later, because I don't understand your nonsense.
Yeah, you need to understand yourself before you can understand somebody.
Remember your business.
How you are next one?
Fancy your girl. Where they so?
I don't see a Pinky going to check for the national area.
Yeah, man, take care of.
A long time I don't see her.
I read that. Listen, it's been a while, too long. Eh? So you do? How you do?
I'm good at everything.
I want my lad cheese out. You come from
School.
from far, you know. You got good too. Cheese out. Life a treat good.
You look good at all these things.
I tell you, yo, Ira, put the number on your phone, man. And think I'm going to text you and you'll save mine.
Yeah, man.
So we can, you know what I mean?
That's my number there.
See, so I call you now. And you can save it.
Yeah, man, just ring off the phone. Yeah, me get it.
You get it?
Yeah,
Alright, see it there. See it
saving.
there. Yeah, so as I said me there, I just go and take my time and shoot through. The thing, put in some work and so forth. So it's at your style or you plan to go out. You go for a date or something.
Oh, that's only a business.
Yeah, I always have something about you. But seriously, I want date to go for now.
What you want me to
But
do?
just curious.
No,
For me, I feel things here for them time then.
no.
From them
But
time to this or to the, I mean,
no, me just do me ear because, girl have to look good and
all these things. Alright. But you have a boyfriend? Seriously, like,
Yeah, me have a boyfriend.
you live with him?
Yeah.
I treat you good.
What wrong with you?
Just like,
You don't have a girlfriend.
but just like come back up to speed, if you know what's going on in your life and so forth. Because you know, so we are good friends, right?
You know that.
You know that,
So you
man?
don't have a girlfriend?
Yeah, Pinky, I mean,
Oh,
Pinky.
you're Pinky then?
Yeah, man, Pinky, I'm a girl. But to be honest, trust me, sometimes she make me feel like I can't talk to nobody at all.
That's
You
not
know?
right.
Yeah, like we with people like this that have fun. Like right now, me have to wonder. But guess what? No, I think I'm in a back there, so you can go and check her and things. Me link here, you know what I mean? So we are talk definitely. Alright?
Dirty dog.
Pinky!
Dirty dog, let's shit up here. So go then, dog.
What the dog do today?
Me just fling you over there, so. Hey, what go on?
Yeah. I'm here more if you do,
You here?
Mm-hmm. But I can't do
Me no know, me not sure.
it. What do you mean I don't know you're not sure?
Alright, next week, girl. Next week, Thursday.
No, girl, you're mad. Next week too long. I want to do this week.
Alright then.
This week when?
Thursday.
So where you going so far?
Girl, how me a go on?
Yeah, give
Me
me
can't talk again. Me can't talk out of my good mouth. How me a go on?
Alright, next week Thursday, me see you, yeah? Thursday, me see you. When me say next week? I should say next week.
Oh, yeah.
Thursday. What
Alright.
time?
Come 10 o'clock.
Alright, 10 o'clock Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Alright, later.
Later. Well,
Yeah.
we are going to fuck. Public later.
Alright, girl. Yeah.
Hey. You know the one that is up there. Where you and she have get up, me and talk to you. Get up.
Pinky, alright. What really are going on? Wait, I see you come out with this. You a cricketer? Yeah? You a cricketer?
Me and talk to you now.
When me see you talk to me?
Get up, me and talk.
No. Come soon.
Where you and she have?
Come soon, as I would have to say.
Answer the question. Where you and she
Let
have?
me say what me and she have. Go on to you. You always a create one vibe over something you know. Babe, but think we pass the stage already, you know. The jealousy stage I make you feel like say me involved certain way where I'm just me and you alone. Don't give me that look there. Don't give me that. Pinky, don't give me that look there. You know me? Me not understand.
What kind of dealings you and she in?
Alright. Me know a long time. You know, remember one girl who used to talk about say you
Shut up. Shut up, because you see Eliza just say all over your face. Me did I cut my ears and listen to everything on I say.
What mean cock your ears? What you talk about?
Hey.
So you peep on me? You think you see you inside I cook some food? You just have peep on me all this time? Eh?
Ask you one question. Everything what me I do for you, I fi invest in another woman.
Invest now? What you talk about? Me not understand how invest and other woman come in this situation. Me and this and we are bill. You do you look at it as a shop. Me help you forget two hair dryer and thing. The best of the best. Babe, warm to your man, quit the foolishness now.
No. Hold on. My money I for you though.
Yeah.
And your money I for me though.
Yeah. So what? Nothing wrong with that.
So what is for?
What is this?
And me nose you cheat for me.
Me not cheat. Come on, babe.
So I want me see. I want me hear.
We here. Me and she a good friend a long time from way back. I'm just said to her, I say, give me a number because guess what? Me can link up and get some work. I'm a construction thing as well, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Far may I come from though.
And what change that from say how far we are come from?
Nothing no change. Me no change, but you come like say you want change.
Listen to me.
So talk to me.
Alright, hear me I tell you. Me appreciate say you jealous over me. But me appreciate say you come out here with button. Like say me want ball, you go beat or something. You know how it feel if you know sit down and have your woman a walk around now and button if you come beat you. Beat me for what?
No, I should have bust your head.
Bust
I
me for what?
should have come out with and
You
trim
see
me.
the anger thing with yo. And you know, so when talk to your mother about the anger thing, you know, I tell her, say, she need to talk to you, you know, because you try to bring up one character out of me what is not there. I mean, I want to be so aggressive. I like a tone neither.
No, send me grandmother's. Send me grandmother's. But you tell my mother to talk to me. Send me grandmother's.
What do you mean send grandmother's? I can't stop. I can't have a woman sing and reason with. Every time me say hi to somebody, you feel like me and them, me a jumping in them panty or something.
Cause you're liar.
What do you mean say me a liar? Your voice a echo around the place.
You're liar.
People are supposed to hear your voice right here, that's all. What everybody know what go on, eh? This is not something what we're supposed to entertain. This is a negative energy towards the relationship. I'm a bill, no? You know what?
Alright.
You know what go happen? You push me for left a place, you know, Pinky. You push me for left out your place, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Hold on there.
What do you mean say hold on there?
Hold
You
on.
push me for just tell us, alright, I eat that, you know.
Hold on there. Hold on for you.
Let me say what hold on for me.
Hold on for
When
you.
you are, alright.
Hold on for you.
The last time
But-
when we go and you run come you had a ball and I say you make a big mistake. You remember that?
Who they ball?
You remember
tears
that?
of joy.
Tears of his joy. So,
Tears of joy.
so
We never
you-
did a ball over you.
so you left your yard, come on my yard, come back, tears of joy over me. No, not over me. That you say, come on man. Wake up and smell the coffee. And then when we come in the room and make you round one, you say, nah, left out of the house here. You say, where me I go? What me want? I'm going to tell you something else, want peace. You don't remember? Oh, your brains. Oh, you don't remember? Oh. I say you go. Let me tell you this, man. Is that you want me and me want you, or you just want me to go on or what?
No, me want you, but you don't want me.
What do you mean say me don't want so?
You don't want me, cause you could have never under me nose and then them something. What kind of style that?
You know, say every time you say me I do something, I best alright. You see, people like you push people who now do nothing to do something, you know, because you now push them and tell them so they must do it. And then guess what? No, it gonna happen. Because thoughts attract that upon which it is directed. And if you keep on telling thought negative out of me, you know, ruin me aura, what do you think will happen?
Alright, let me tell you something. Carry one of your friend them come here.
Which friend? Me not no friend.
Any friend
Me
where
not no friend.
any man friend
I'm
where
the
you have.
brethren them.
Carry brethren come right as of tomorrow. Yes, when I carry him come,
What go?
more you there on one corner and listen to female and film conversation. Because me go look him right under your nose. So two can play that game.
So that you say.
Nonsense.
That you say. Try, you know. You know what? Me not gonna make you get me out, you know. Know that.
Boy!
So I want to happen to you, how you going to?
Oh,
Your energy just low and you're doing me haggish like me and my white fall or something. What will trouble you?
Girl, I told me not like telling people in business, you know, because anytime I tell people in business, then take you and chat me.
What do you mean by stop for a little second now? What do you mean by?
Girl, you want Marika she. For some reason, my spirit can't take the girl there.
Which Marika? My brother woman?
Yes.
What do you mean by spirit can't be
She don't know, say. She come on my yard.
Mm-hmm.
Say she want me to do her hair.
Mm-hmm.
And I do run around look corner.
Mm-hmm.
And listen to the conversation of she and my man they have. The girl a take me man under my nose. You can't look for me.
So hold on there, stop. Marika could have never take your man because Marika did my brother.
I saw you feel. The girl look me man under my nose.
Why?
And if this as bad too. Like almost me lick him in the head and Brad piece of board.
I'm turn on to you, you know. basically what you try to say, Marika come in your yard and come in your yard to do her head and look your man.
Yes. First she ball out my name and me hear her but me never want to answer. And she stop to me man and start shut off her mouth out there. You want to hear the man that tell her about how she look good and she a spin her roll. Yes, me look good.
And what you do?
Remember what me do? I just stay so. And just a listen.
I don't do not want to just listen so.
Girl, you can't just rush the thing so. And as I see something, you rush to it. Anyways.
And my brother woman in a butt. They say she a cheat on my brother. Hi.
No good about
So I
her.
have to go see my brother and ask my brother if my America they are workers. Probably my brother left for me no know or something.
Girl,
Something in a something.
You're more you feel a long time me your friend. Keep one eye on her.
If you watch America.
Yeah? Keep one eye on her. Cause it not go nice, you know. It not go nice.
So what me ask you a question? If you can from over here, so watch America. You come from America live for me.
You know what? You don't have to
Me
do
and her
nothing.
not too friendly there, you know. Because the other day, me go over there and one piece of something with me and her in her house, you know. And she tell me, me ask her a question if me and her friend. The girl goes,
Girl, give me 2 cigarettes.
what's and all of that. Me have to say, me just walk out and then she come and try to apologize and it never work out so well.
Me say, Alia,
So me
me
and her
can't
not too
believe.
friendly.
So the girl take me man under me nose. What can go so? What can really go so?
I don't know what to say. I swear to God, I don't know what to say.
You know what? Later, girl.
Where you go? I feel not done me here. Girl! I didn't tell you we don't get no money.
Marika!
Hello? How that? What's wrong?
You want to here today?
Today?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, do me here today. You do it on my yard or what?
Yeah. Woman to woman. Where you my man in?
What you mean by when me and your man in a? I don't understand that.
When I come on my yard, I did a listen to the conversation with one of them. And when me see a bus run, I go on like see something me I do all I tell the dogs if you go. No dog never did and no dog shit never did it. So, yeah, look, my man.
Pinky, you're mad? Something wrong with you?
You never know.
You're crazy?
Me sick.
Me and public I come from far, long before you and public day. If me did want public, mother did public. You understand?
You say?
Me and public go to school together. We are friends.
If you want him.
So why you come up in my face?
No, what you say? If you want him.
This can't be serious. What do you lady?
I mean by what do you mean? Don't tell us I'm sick.
If me did want your man, me could have your man. And that me I tell you.
So take him now, no?
I don't want him.
Take him now. Because you say if you want him, you could have him long time. So me I tell us if you take him now.
I don't want your man. I live a house with my man. I love my man. I'm loyal to my man.
You love my man?
Of course.
So you give me my number?
So what? If me give him number? Nothing wrong with that. What wrong with that? Or you go out there and see other man and give them your number?
You're brighty, girl. You're brighty. When you take fear and see me, give your next man my number.
Uno woman was like uno innocent and uno a bad one. Uno. That's a come at me hard for? I really this a come at me hard for, Pinky?
Girl.
I can't believe you.
Leave my man alone.
I know why you man.
I don't want you again. Leave my man alone.
You don't talk? Leave me yard.
Leave which yard?
Come out of me yard.
You want to do something about it?
I don't have the strength for that.
You want to do something about it? Move me.
Leave me yard.
Move me. You're mad. This girl come like he's sick. And what you do? What you do?
Back up.
Hey girl, you're not done yet.
What
Yeah.
girl?
It's done.
Bob! Bob!
Hmm?
And what you there for? And what kind of man you be? Eh?
Tell
Girl,
them
come
something,
here to beat me and you're there in a house, Bob, and you're not even gonna come out there to help me. Eh?
I in a bathroom I come from.
What you do about room?
But people do a bathroom, me there the bathroom. Nobody
So
not
you're
there.
not-
You want nobody not there.
Oh, what did
Oh
them
yeah, you
bad
do
man,
see the
you
people
man?
so.
You're nice one that's a while
What
ago.
nice?
It's alright. It's alright, Bob. Me don't know what kind of man you be. Me
Yeah.
sit down here loyal to you and come like say you are a woman and me are the man. But now worry yourself.
I know me not like FaceTime, you know. Me I come here and go road to drink.
Go on.
I go have a drink. I'll soon come back.
Now come back. Feel like years.
So you couldn't buy me a drink? Eh?
And where you are doing so?
What do you mean you do that?
You don't understand.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand you. You make it sound like some intro and everything. You must say you come from far, you know.
What do you mean by that? Your woman now come at me yard today to beat me face and me in a dealing. What kind of style that?
Someone come here, you have to beat her. You got to talk about.
If you say joke me, I make.
Of course I must joke you make.
I no joke me, I make.
And that's when I see you post my status about people and watch out and don't trust people and them something.
Yeah. What you think would I post there something there?
So hold on, so what you tell me say? You afraid of me, woman? I'm not afraid of her, you know? Because she can't do me nothing and she can't do nothing if we say do something.
What do you mean do something? We don't do nothing.
You mean say we not do nothing? So remember say me and most of the only reason why me never get fit, you know, I become and go a foreign. I mean, listen, man. I really want it to happen again.
I'm sorry for the time the pass.
Talk to me. So, me can't.
The time the pass and
Marika, say you deal with me.
that was then.
What me say that was then? You see people like you, I true me never want to do things back then, you know. And see you create this vibe, I know, and I protect you always. Me always I protect you.
This is the thing.
You know how much man we want come running for you? Eh? Much man want say boy them have to do this and do that and because my name is nothing no go on. And so you treat me? You can't give me alright, so I could just do it one time then.
No.
Just one time.
None at all.
None at all.
None at all. We not doing nothing.
What do you mean say we not nothing? Like
Hello, me not make nobody come at me yard come beat me because I you know.
what mean say come beat you? Afraid of woman?
Probably me and not do nothing. No, we not go back there so.
I don't understand why you
You
make it
have
sound
your
so.
woman, stick with
Mad
the
woman.
woman.
She's
Me
a-
have my man, me stick with
So
the
now
man.
you want make alright, let's go again. And how me know these things? You say your man now give you no attention. You say it with your fingerprint, which is from your phone. See that? Who are calling now?
I'm a best friend, I call me.
Which best friend? How much best friend you have? So you still have best. You see people like you, but best friend.
How do you?
Best friend what? With benefit? Eh?
No.
What do you mean so no?
You're still jealous over me?
Oh, you mean so you say me not get through yet? So you say I go on.
Not now, one.
Really and truly, that's you take it and
Yes.
that's it.
Yes.
You see? Alright, what you said, man? Me gonna release the dogs then. Because guess you know, me, you understand, say me I protect you. There's some place where you walk and some things you talk. You understand, the problem you put yourself in.
You're lucky.
Me lucky.
Go on
That's
by
it.
your business. I don't know how you reach out. Go on. I know why your woman a pass her to me and you know.
That you say?
Yeah. Because of you, your woman now bother do me here.
Because of me?
Yeah. Can your man feel say me come in here and look to you? What more than do with you? Public.
What mean say what you do with me? So she almost beat you? Huh?
Yes, big fight almost happened for me yard. I chop me off a chucker and lock me door.
The dogs them release, that's all me I tell you. See you?
Remember your business.
You see you? You go and post playing status. You see like how
My
me know way.
status.
You see like how me know way there. Eh? I mean, I don't know who is a your phone. Just watch. One day, man, you gonna meet up on you. Yeah? So go on your thing. Delete my number to your phone. That me I tell you. What?
Me not save in the first place.
What you mean say you save it? So how me see your status? How me see your status if you don't save? You have to be idiot. If you don't save a person number in your phone, you can't see them. So don't go and use the head. You see, I try to style use the head for me.
Alright, me
that's your problem.
Me block you.
I don't block me. Delete me.
Me block you. No, me block you first and then delete.
Me release the data. Remember I said that me tell you.
Go ahead, go and buy your business. 30 foot rasta boy. Water harder. Come. Come now. Come take you.
What make you a friend of me so?
You're frightened. Are you frightened?
Why you take so long to reach?
I'm just going to drop off some goods a while ago. What happened?
Supermarket must lock.
Listen, I have to go deal with my deal first because I just have a little thing to sort out. You know, my brethren, them stay ready. Them love to know say boy, I make myself present and active. It's not a case where me can just say boy, alright, me run up and down. Me and you together, you know, and me and you go nowhere. And it's not like me don't love you. And it's not like say you know me only. You understand me I say? And the more you stop the foolishness where you feel say me you know, jealous and stop jealous about fool people. People don't exist that important. No more. You understand me I say? Yes, no more. Because back then I'm a bridge that music check for you and rate it, but that's it. So you can't make stupid things and situation match up with beautiful flowers that we can grow. So we can bear fruit. What you say?
I am sad.
Sad for what? What's sad new? You better answer.
You know, treat me good and it'll get to me now because me even go up a yard a while ago. To fight her. Like big something just happened. Me just go up America yard to fight her.
So how she, you know, just come and fix you and you feel that me not treat her good? You realize you judge me for the wrong thing them? Stop that, man. You hear me say to you?
Something I go on and I go find out. Yeah.
What mean something I go on and go find out? That don't sound good.
Something I go on between the two of you know.
Yeah, yo.
And I go find
out. You
out.
supermarket before time get out of control now? You go ready? Oi, me don't want to walk with an attitude. So put a smile on your face. Me not say put an iron smile on your face, me say put a real one. Watch ya. I'll give you 5 more thousand. Bomba! I'm on 8. Alright, come here.
I think you never did I come back.
No?
I think you never did I come back.
So I must come back now here, me live.
Come here, sir. I want to talk to you. What kind of relationship we really in for true? Because I don't understand.
What do you mean that kind of relationship with me?
Look how far we are come from, Bob. You think yesterday we are talk from, we are friends, till we get involved, till we leave our house. I don't understand how we reach yes right now.
Well, when I go on the walk, we don't know still at me, I go on the train and I say, once you reach far, bro. You know? But I just certain things, you know, sometimes I'm just tired.
Tired of what?
Yeah, I look at certain things and I really like, I want a big deal, but, you know, sometimes I just want to relax. You know, and you know, nice, no, you know.
I don't understand now. What kind of nice? What make nice in your
No, I mean like when I'm ready, when we say something to me, I'm going to say something to you and then I talk like nice. And nice that same way. You understand what I mean? But me, I look at it and me, I walk down with them and say, I don't say how far. You know, but I just certain thing me not like.
head? I understand what you're saying now. But me, I go through a lot. I'm gonna have nobody to talk to. You, when we did that, you did my best friend. I could have called for you anytime, plus you're my boyfriend. No, me not have you again like that. You're the way over so me the way over so we the far from each other like we not connect again or something. Saying this is saying that. We need to do better in our relationship.
Well, that's true. You say, you're not nobody to talk to. It's any good thing you want to talk about? Talk about it now. So tell me what I want today. You.
You really want to know what going to do?
Yeah, tell me more. I know that's what I ask.
Well, yesterday, day before yesterday, I go up a Pinky. I said to her, when me go in her yard, I said, Pinky, I see her man sit down on a chair. But anyway, he take me number.
Yo, I don't like that you just can't be one of what I'm saying.
Anyway, he take me number. So I just walk go and I said to Pinky, I said to her, I said, Pinky, mom, I'm here for you. She said, she did that give me attitude, but I never know where attitude that come from or nothing, you understand? So I said, alright then, Thursday, which is tomorrow.
Yeah.
So the Pinky come here, she knocked me door. When I go out there, she said to me, say, you want to hear for you today? So I said, yeah, family feel excited. After that, she go say, by the way, where you have my man in her? So I said, what you mean when me and your man in her? Me and your man in her nothing. I'm a friend from school days and something. He girl will fight me, chop me. So I chuck her back and lock the door and come in. So that's why I did I get mad at you. Since evening, like go down your road, forgot have a drink. And the man miss pop up.
Pinky man.
Yeah, Pinky man.
Sure.
I tell me say he want me.
Want you?
Yes. Something and the man will threaten me.
Threaten my woman, threaten you?
My babe, I'm back there heavy, man.
I'm fitted, but I saw we have to prepare. So when you have a little baby in the picture, yeah, because we have to buy one bag of groceries, you know, if we start with like
So, get it easy. Yo, tell me something. You're not pregnant? Huh? Come here, talk about baby. You're pregnant?
yeah, but me never want to.
You what?
I'm pregnant, but me never want to.
So,
Me never ready for tell her yet. So I baby make me so emotional.
me excited still. Don't get me wrong, but you just that me never know, say. But I feel me.
But you're not, what you say?
No, me I say me know, say I feel me.
Oh, but you're not move like
No, man, me happy,
you're
man. Me
overjoyed.
happy, man. Oh, God, man. Me happy, baby. Me happy. It's just that if you have a baby, you know, it's a different.
Make sure.
Good night.
Have
So I just come and look up in my face.
Good night, brother. I can talk to you, please.
babe, I just want to talk to you, man.
Yeah, you can
You
talk
talk
to
to
her
her.
because I your sister and I like some me I worry about nothing.
Oh, go on, sis.
Brother, I really need to talk to you. Like, I don't even know how to feel about this, but may I see some things and partially hear some things, And it kind of there.
Sister, where you go around the bush, beat around the bush kind of situation?
It a play with my mind right now.
What is it?
Alright, let me get to the point.
Yes.
I see on America status where she say, you, my brother, a threaten her. Or threaten her. Sorry, not a. Threaten her.
You see my name?
Yo, how you feel do something like that?
What mean say threaten her? No. What on? So where you sip on it then? Where you sip on it? What she say?
I don't even remember.
Because that I think, hold on. Well, she black, me can't see none. Listen to me, man. Don't bother come with no fools because she can't talk something about somebody else. I don't mean want to have my name.
You, your name she call.
What she say? Public?
Public.
What she spell it with? KRC?
K.
I don't mean, man. Mistake she
Look,
make,
look what she say.
She couldn't talk about anything. Yes, somebody will do a threat in a public. Whatever that she say?
Brother, me not like this. You can't go on and threaten people like this.
Sister,
what she do?
Me and she have nothing. That's the first place.
So
me and she have nothing.
Alright. Marika is a girl when me tell her say when things happen, she posy. And me tell her say when it happen for true, and where gossip and you not chat foolishness.
I know what goes so that if you chat that truth. The truth I was come out first.
Put words in my mouth.
I put words in my mouth, I will come out. So you tell me say anything what she talk on status that something will happen for true?
Yes.
Well, me not have nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that, sister. And you see, you met my woman guy, you know, and I bet say she going, you know, she vex because she not like certain, you know what I mean? I know so she must have catch her ears somewhere.
About that. Come talk about that. Let me tell her this. Me don't know where you get that woman there from too, you know.
What do you mean?
Make it rest.
What do you mean get the woman there?
I don't want to throw me.
Oh, you talk about my woman. You come, sister, you come here, come disrespect my woman. Yeah, man. See, you have man. Because you can't find a man where you come go and so. You see people who can't find man, them complain about everybody else's relationship, find problem. Listen me I say, me no want you to have nothing negative to say about my pinky and my pinky. You understand me I say? You fi find for your blackie. And that if you go do.
She gonna bite off your ears.
Bite off her ears. So you call me pinky dog? A dog you call him? You see you have some disrespectful words on your tongue, you know. And that would me as a notice you. You take your time and create some sounds and the words them and you have to listen and pay attention. Because you're disrespectful.
Me not see what me doing now.
Let me see
me
only say
she gonna bite off her ears.
Bite off of her ears.
Me say me and call her dog. Listen what me say.
Right now me I plan to start a family with her. Because she just tell me say she miss sitting or sitting and go on. So you soon turn auntie.
The conversation.
You in there listen?
Let me ask you something now. You sure for your pitney? You sure you're a pitney?
Why you say that? Why my pinky is like any what dirt? You think I want a dirty clot? You want to rub up every shoe's bottom? What's the matter with you?
Pick up fear.
What mean to pick up? I must pick up for my man.
Yourself. And then that me come to you to talk to you boy now. Are the threat where you send to my
me not
friend?
send no threat to she. Me see her at one place and me just say hi, hello and move on.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And she just feel mad. She just go up on her phone and go up on status and say public this, that. So me as a friend, me carry her mad house then she are mad.
Listen to me, I don't know what she feel inside, but me think it's a wrong text. Sometimes people can use words, you know, and just have this typing error. And I think that happened. Sister, go on your yard, yeah. Left me alone, yeah.
What you?
You can't bother this foolishness no more.
I disrespect you,
disrespect you, but you disrespect me. No, but you tell me, say no, me do something what me not do. And if me not do it, me not understand what you tell me, say me do it. What you tell me, say?
Me talk to you about America. You get defensive.
Maybe she mean it's defensive.
Me I talk to you about your woman and still problem. So me have to talk to you then.
Me not saying enough to talk to me then, but me say go on your yard.
So when you're ready to talk and tell me truth, you call me. Otherwise, don't call me phone.
No, call your phone.
It's alright.
Find a man. I'm making call your phone.
You subscribe yet?